When it comes to budgeting and finance, what are the biggest issues that your clients face?
The biggest challenges are clients don't understand what budget they require when planning that, and then don't understand why they're doing it, and then the return on investment. And a lot of what we do is trying to educate them and take them through the expectation on how much it costs to fit out an office and furnish it. And a good level or mid-level office fit out will cost you between £60 and £75, and that's all encompassing. That includes feature ceilings, partitioning, decoration, feature walls, graphics, all your electrical modifications, your mechanical modifications, your voice and data infrastructure, your furniture, everything you can think of. The only thing which that does not include is their relocation costs, their IT and their stationery and their computers. And generally when we get to that point, they then don't understand how big the space a lot of them is, what they're actually going to get. So we then have to drill down, go and see site, measure site, speak to the landlord, get drawings, and we build up a picture and we start setting out what the cost is. At that point, they generally fall off their seats and go, wow, you know, and that isn't for a high end, that's for a mid-range. And then we try and get them to understand the return on investment, the value and why they're doing it. So we generally say to them, why are you doing this? Is it just a relocation? Then is there an opportunity to change people's behaviour if you introduce a new computer system, new software, new processes and systems? Or they want to change their culture? They've got, you know, culture issues or staff retention, you know, staff attrition rates and things like that will drop. So basically, a lot of clients don't really understand the golden moment they've got when they actually relocate an office.